commercial letting firm British Land's CEO Grigg claimed that Brexit is having a positive effect on the British economy and businesses are still committing to commercial lets. Appearing on CNBC, Mr. Grigg said, "We are great believers as an organization that you have to try and focus on those things that are controllable. That's what we've been doing. We've seen some people slowing down their rate of decision-making, if you like. But actually, in the end people are taking the right sort of space." Mr. Grigg said that people are still committing to business ventures in the UK, including British Land. He said, "We are announcing this morning what will turn out to be, or as largest pre-let in the West End for 20 years. Getty CNBC Brexit News business CEO said Mark Carney is walking on a tightrope. Mr. Grigg said that British Land has had a range of companies let and renew over 1.3 million square feet of office space over the past 6 months, with a notable rise in the technology sector. The Bank of England warned that Brexit is having a noticeable impact on the economic outlook and hinted of more interest rate rises to come. Governor of the bank Mark Carney insisted Brexit was responsible for the rise. He said, "These are not normal times. Brexit will redefine the UK's relationship with our largest trade and investment partner. The overshoot of inflation throughout the forecast predominantly reflects the effects on import prices of the referendum-related fall in sterling." But Mr. Grigg said that Mark Carney is walking an interesting tightrope. He said, on the one hand he's looking at an economy which seems to have slowed a little bit but is still doing okay. On the other hand, people are looking at inflation and going, it's gone up a bit. So, I think he will walk that tightrope. Whether he moves again we shall see. Mark Carney warned there would be a very gradual rise in interest rates over the next few years. The bank said in a statement, "The decision to leave the European Union is having a noticeable impact on the economic outlook.